my friends. Right this way. Nothing to be afraid of. Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Omnaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make handle some money.
Supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezca al frente.
Hurry now, time it back. Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. It better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right. I was just...
Oh, my bad!
Pilot
My
on the
bad!
right, pull back on the stick to fly out. And pull forward to fly out. Oh, watch it! Chewie makes flying this thing with easy range. Weapons are online. Pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right, pilot, make the jump to light speed.
That one! Mila! Mila, pull the lever! Lever, you dumb boy!
Train. Papa. Yes, keep shooting. Don't talk to us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting. I think I will let you tell the whole thing. Oh, that's it. Things are getting too hot. Look out to get out there. Distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! It's coming down! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! Look! We did not die! Let's get out of here! Pilot us in remotely. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
Yes, let's